Hey guys, as a rules here. I hope you like the title. I have two more that are going to be at the end that I'm going to be using frequently. This video is from like 2 years ago, working structure fire helmet cam by my captain Alex Dunn. Great guy. There's going to be a spot when they get there. I'm going to fast forward because it took like 2 minutes to find where the fire actually was. It was the driver's house that was on fire, or one of his renters. You know, it wasn't his house. It was, you know, he owned the house, but he has renters in that house. But Great and Mechanical Fire Department is on Facebook. If you want to hit the like button, you know, view a couple more videos that I don't, well, good, whatever. There's a lot of photos. Go to our website, mechanical.com/fire department, and take it to the website. Thank you.